Happy Hanukkah, Curious George. Written and illustrated by H.A. Ray and Margaret Ray. Festival of Lights. George waits and waits till nighttime. Excitement starts to grow, for Hanukkah is filled with joy, as everybody knows. He helps his friend get ready to celebrate tonight. He even spies some mystery gifts. Oh, what a happy sight! It's time now for the party, food and treats in tow. It's such a cold and wintry night, and wait, here comes the snow. Hanukkah fun. Stars of silver all around, lots of sparkles to be found. On the table, donut dreams, sweet fried up, jellies, creams. Everyone gets gelt of gold, tiny chocolate snacks to hold. Food to eat, so much fun. The Hanukkah party has begun. Menorah light fills the night. His friend shows George 8 candles, one for each Hanukkah night. Another tall one right on top, from which the 8 to light. The tall shamash gets lit first, the others one by one. As Hebrew prayer is chanted, the candle lighting's done. Menorah in the window, the candles burn so bright. The perfect way to celebrate this special Hanukkah night. Dreidel, dreidel, dreidel. With the lighting done, it's time for dreidel fun. Kids all play along. Sing the dreidel song. Dreidel, 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 I made you out of clay, and when you're dry and ready, oh dreidel I will play. Hey! George attempts a spin, shares his chocolate win. Try a trick that's neat. Use both hands and feet. George eats up his gelt before it starts to melt. But something smells so good, just like a latke should. Yummy, yummy in George's tummy. Scritch, scritch, scratch. Peel potato batch. Chop, chop, sigh. Onions make George cry. Tap, tap, whack. When will this egg crack? Splish, splish, mess. George has 1 egg less. Mix, mix, stir. Hear the beater whir. Crackle, crackle, pop. Oil's getting hot. Sizzle, sizzle, burn. Quickly, time to turn. Sniff, sniff, yum. Tasty latkes done. Delicious latkes like a dream with applesauce and sour cream. Following the leader. Tummies are all full now. The children want to play. George is always ready. He starts to lead the way. Monkey see, monkey do. They jump up one by one. Following the leader has never been such fun. But one girl jumps so high, she lands down with a thud. And landing right down with her, an applesauce-filled flood. George flies right into action to clean the sticky goo. The children all still follow him. They start to clean up too. In no time flat, the mess is gone. The girl gives George a gift, a very special present that makes his spirits lift. Good deeds for friends in need. One special part of Hanukkah, the mitzvah or good deed, to help out friends and neighbors or anyone in need. First, George cleans up the kitchen with special monkey care. He works so hard until it seems there was no party there. Next, George wraps up some latkes. He makes a special plate, a little treat for a sick friend to help her feel first rate. As they step out into the street, George sees a gentle glow. He he smiles at other neighbors with menorahs in windows. George knows he'll carry with him the joy of Hanukkah cheer by doing helpful mitzvahs all throughout the year. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe. Want to check out the last story we read? Here's the link. Do you have a favorite book you want read aloud? Leave it in the comments below.